Who gave you permission to come in?
Kelly. I know you're upset that I joined the company, but stirring up drama like this is just a bad look for you.
You're straddling my husband, and I'm the one stirring up drama?
You want me to stir up drama? Fine. Kelly, why would you hit me? I was just trying to explain myself.
Kelly, have you lost your mind? You okay?
No, my face hurts.
Apologize.
I didn't hit her!
Damn it, I said apologize!
You know, before I would have been jealous, but now I don't even give a shit if you two have slept together.
Unbelievable. After all these years, I thought you would have changed, but no. You're still using the same dirty tricks, honey.
Fine.
Happy birthday, girl.
Mrs. Brown, happy birthday.
Our meeting with Europe is scheduled for this afternoon.
The whole world is wishing me happy birthday. Except my husband, Eric. Hey, baby. Which one? Everyone says Eric is cold and emotionless. But I fell for him anyway. In 7 years of marriage, I gave him a daughter and took care of our household. But when he took our daughter abroad for work 2 years ago, our love started to fade. We're nothing but strangers now.
Kelly, happy birthday.
7 years. I'm done waiting. This trip will be my final attempt to save our marriage.
Ma'am, you're here.
Hi. Where are Eric and Sophia?
Oh, well, Mr. Brown isn't here yet, and Miss Sophia is playing inside.
Okay, thank you. Sophia?
Mom, you're here.
Hi, baby. How are you?
Okay, Mom, I'm making a birthday present, so don't mess it up, okay?
I never expected Sophia to remember my birthday. Honey, whatever you make, I'm gonna love it.
Well, who cares if you're happy? It's Miss Bella's birthday almost, and Dad ordered her the nicest gift. I can't lose to him.
Sweetie, don't you remember that it's also Mommy's birthday?
Mom, just stop bothering me. Great, now all the beads are out of order. Thank you.
2 years apart, and Sophia's gone from dependent on me to irritated by me.
What is it?
Hey, are you free later? I think we should all have a family dinner.
I'm busy tonight.
But we haven't seen each other in 3 months, and I flew all the way here. Eric, in the past, I would have begged you to come home. But I don't want to anymore. I'm tired. Kelly, since no one cares about you, celebrate for yourself.
Look, Miss Bella, I made you a present.
Oh, I love it so much. Thank you. Oh, come here. Thank you. It's gorgeous.
We were supposed to go to our picnic tomorrow, but my mom keeps showing up. She's so mean. Why does she even have to be here?
Sophia, I'm sure that your mom just misses your dad.
Misses me? She's just here for the money.
That's how you've seen me all these years? 7 years ago, I was bullied at school. You saved me.
If it isn't Little Miss Honor Roll, you only tutor Benjamin because you want to spread your pretty little legs for him.
What? No, that's not true. I'm just helping him study.
Don't lie to me, whore.
Eric, we have to go. This was a bad idea.
Kelly? Are you okay? Huh? Oh, yeah, I'm fine. Who was that?
That's Eric, the heir to the multi-billion-dollar Brown Group. But he never gets involved in school drama, so I wonder why he helped you.
True. You know, if it weren't for that scheme to save your grandma, you wouldn't have married her in the first place. So,
There was never any scheme against you.
Kelly, how do you manage to stay OP of our class every year while working a part-time job? I mean, you are just amazing.
Stop. I'll get this one. I'll see you later.
Hello? Room service.
Ma'am? Ma'am, what's wrong?
Please, back. Okay. Medicine.
Grandma!
You willingly agreed to marry me at your grandma's request.
I mean, she's the worst. I wish you could just be my mom instead. You're way better.
oh. Well, I wish that I could have a child as cute and smart as you.
Watch it! Ow! Mr. Brown prepared this for his wife? You could never afford it.
Eric, do you take Kelly to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
"7 years. I thought you didn't like to smile. But you just don't smile at me. Happy wedding anniversary. I thought that we could celebrate.
I hate celebrations. Don't do anything like this ever
Happy
again.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
You don't hate celebrations.
Happy birthday.
You just hate me.
To you.
Oh, thank you so much, Sophia. That's so nice. Should I make a wish?
Can you wish to be my mommy, please?
Oh, of course. Okay. I wish to be Sophia's mom and to always be with her and Eric.
Sophia, today is also Mommy's birthday. Mommy will make your wish come true. I've been your loyal, obedient wife for 7 years. It's time for a change.
Give that to Eric.
Yes, ma'am.
To the airport.
Yes, ma'am.
Dad, what if Mom insists to come tomorrow? Does she even have to be there?
Don't worry, she won't.
Sir, Mrs. Brown has left this for you.
Where is she?
Mrs. Brown has returned home.
She left.
Yes, sir.
Yes! Now we don't have to worry about her nagging us tomorrow.
Right.
Sir? When Madam left, she seemed very angry.
Angry. She schemed her way into my family. What right does she have to be angry? Wow. Hello, Miss Bella.
Eric, my water pipe broke. Can you come over?
I know what that means. I'm on my way.
Once a woman's heart is broken, sir, no matter how hard you try, you will never get her back.
Darling, I bought you some new ties. I thought if I tried hard enough, we could be a happy family.
Nothing tainted by the lies. Have hope, no fear. I keep telling myself.
But reality slapped me in the face. This needs to end.
This one cuts the deepest, twisted, so I feel it. I can see my heart.
Don't forget, this is an obligation. No kissing.
Always you. We're never going. It's you.
Eric, I loved you for 7 years. Today, we're completely finished.
Stops me in my tracks. Oh, it's you.
Ever since Sophia went abroad, we agreed to call every morning. Now there's no need for that anymore.
Ma'am, where are you going?
I'm leaving.
When will you be back?
I'm not coming back.
Sophia! Honey, your mother should be calling soon, so just hang on a minute, okay?
Mom is the most naggy person ever. Why do we even have to call her?
Wendy, call her.
Yes, sir. I'm looking for Mrs. Sir, the butler says Mrs. Brown moved out.
Moved out? Give me the phone. What's going on?
Sir, she only took one suitcase. She said she's not coming back.
Well, maybe she's just on a business trip. Fool.
But, sir, even when she's on a business trip, Madam would contact Miss Sophia.
Well, maybe she's just too busy with work.
You know what, Dad? Don't worry about Mom. We can't be late for Miss Bella. Come on.
Here.
Mrs. Brown? You want to resign?
Yeah.
This is so sudden. But you worked so hard to be a part of our company 7 years ago.
David. This is Kelly. Kelly, David. Let's give her a job in the secretary department. And David, please keep her identity a secret. Treat her like any other employee.
Yes, boss. Welcome to the team.
Thanks.
I used to think that you joined us because you wanted to be closer to your husband. But I've seen you. You've been so dedicated to your work. This is a major loss for us.
I've already decided.
I understand. I'm going to need 5 days to find a replacement.
Okay, that's fine. I can wait. Kelly, in 5 days you'll be free. Then you just live for yourself.
I need to report this to Mr. Brown.
What is it?
Hi, Mr. Brown. Mrs. Brown, she submitted.
Eric, come on. We're waiting for you.
1 minute. What did you just say about Kelly? Make sure her identity stays a secret. Treat her like any other employee.
He's with Miss Bella, of course. Mrs. Brown loves him so much, she wouldn't resign on her own. Must be the boss's decision. Nothing. We'll follow the standard procedure with Mrs. Brown.
Sir, she only took one suitcase. She said she's not coming back.
She schemed her way into marrying me. How could she possibly leave?
Kelly again? You're swamped with work and she keeps causing you trouble.
Let me remind you that Kelly is my wife and also the mother to Sophia. So she has every right to cause me as much trouble as she'd like.
Doesn't Eric hate Kelly? Is he defending her?
I'm sorry. Shouldn't talk that way about her around Sophia.
Okay, Dad. So why did you have to be so rude to Miss Bella yesterday? I mean, after she graduates and goes back to New York, we're hardly going to see her anymore.
Wait, didn't I tell you? We're going to New York tomorrow, too.
Really? Yay! Now I won't have to be away from Miss Bella!
That's perfect. Why don't you go wash up, hon?
Okay.
Wendy,
Yes, sir.
did my wife call today?
I stayed by the telephone all afternoon, but I never heard from her.
Even if she couldn't have called Sophia this morning, she could have called this afternoon.
Well, should I go and check on her?
Just forget it. We're going to New York no matter what. Will you go check on Sophia, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
I'm all ready for bed. Now you just have to tell me a story.
Bedtime story. Come on.
4 more days, and I'll be free.
I heard you and Sophia are back. Pick up Kelly and come for Thanksgiving family dinner.
Professor?
Sorry, the number you have dialed is currently busy.
Professor?
Kelly!
It's been too long. We need to catch up. When can you visit?
How about today? If you're free.
Fantastic. I'll see you later.
Great. Bye.
Professor, I have been working on this all night. Can you just check to make sure the algorithm is correct?
Congratulations to the youngest champion in our competition's history, Rainbow!
Thank you all so much. I will continue to work hard and make the name Rainbow the pinnacle of future AI technology. Thank you all so much.
Kelly?
Benjamin?
Hey,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm good.
So good to see you, Mrs. Brown. Look at you.
Oh, please don't call me that. I'm going through a divorce.
Wow.
Yeah.
You got married and you gave up a very promising career. Why give it up?
Well, I was impulsive and blind.
Kelly, come back and work for me.
Oh, I don't know. Those days are behind me.
Do you remember this? Kelly Jones, you know you were the top student in AI at the school? You gave up your career to marry Eric once before. Kelly, don't do it again. Come work with me at Lumina Tech where we can make the most amazing things together.
You're right. I wasn't meant to just be a housewife and a mom. I should follow my dreams again. And I'll consider chasing them at Lumina Tech. Thank you.
I'm happy to have you back. Okay, so you know what this job's going to entail, right?
Yes. I'm prepared. Don't worry.
I am so happy to have you back at Lumina Tech, Kelly. Oh.
Me too.
Oh, we're going to make such a great team.
I'm excited, but I can't come for a few days if that's okay.
Where are you going?
Well,
I'll handle this.
you sure?
Thank you for everything.
Yeah.
Get in the car. Grandma wants to see us for dinner tonight.
All these years, only Madame Brown has been good to me. Divorce or not, I should say goodbye to her properly. Fine. You brought Sophia? Hi.
Hi, Mom. Nice to see you.
His overseas business isn't finished. Why did he suddenly bring Sophia back? Did he see the divorce papers and just come here to end things?
Miss Bella, Dad finished work early, so we'll be able to see you again soon.
Eric, I thought the divorce would affect you. Turns out, Bella's the reason you came back. Don't worry, I'll give you your freedom.
Every time I came back before, she'd be so happy. But today, she's so cold. Probably just another new scheme to get my attention. Let's go.
Everything turned out really beautiful.
I think so too.
Oh,
Kelly, you're back.
wow, the wife who spends all day shopping and having fun. How nice of you to fit us into your busy schedule.
Another rude remark from you, Evelyn, and you will answer to me.
You are biased, grandmother. I am your real granddaughter. And you were supposed to help set the table. Go finish the rest.
I'm too tired. Sorry.
She normally tries to please my sister, but today, she's actually saying no.
Tired? You act as if the company is on your shoulders. If you're so tired, then why don't you just quit?
I already did.
What? Kelly, don't joke like that.
Eric, she's usually bustling around the kitchen by now. What is wrong today?
Maybe she's just tired today.
All these years, I've compromised my principles just to please your family. Don't worry. It'll never happen again.
Eric, why don't you get her some apple cider? Maybe you're thirsty.
No, he doesn't need to do that. I can handle myself.
Grandmother is clearly playing matchmaker again. Are you ever going to get tired of it? Eric, you are so pathetic.
Why does Kelly seem so different?
Mom, you've changed.
How so?
Every Thanksgiving, you and me make my favorite blueberry pie. This year, where's the pie? Grandma made everything.
I'll spend one last Thanksgiving dinner with my daughter. You're right, sweetie. Let's go make that pie.
Kelly, where's your wedding ring?
Oh, how funny you choose to wear that precious family heirloom every day but today.
Did you have a fight with Eric?
Eric and I haven't officially divorced yet. If Grandma finds out, she won't let us. I left it at home.
Well, now at least you'll match Eric. I've never seen him wear his.
Hi, darling.
This one cuts the deepest.
Be careful. This is your wedding ring. I don't want you to lose it.
Well, I don't like wearing it. Just gets in my way.
Our loveless, shallow marriage should have ended long ago. Something just came over me. I'm not feeling too good. I'm just gonna rest for a bit.
If you can't say anything nice, Evelyn, shut up.
Kelly helped you once, and yet you chose to make Eric marry her.
Eric, did I make you marry Kelly?
Grandma!
Feel my soul breaking. Give me peace.
Eric, I have met Bella, and she is beautiful, and she has her doctorate. If she wasn't a mistress's daughter, she would be far better than Kelly. But that's not enough, is it?
I know what kind of woman I want.
Eric, you really do love Bella. No one can say a bad thing about her.
This has nothing to do with Bella. Happy Thanksgiving.
I'm sorry.
Where's your ring?
I already told you.
Kelly, will you just stop with this little attitude?
You're overthinking it.
I'm overthinking it.
If you're angry about how I treat you,
As your husband, isn't it my duty to make it up to you?
Stop! Our relationship isn't like this anymore. Intimate, Eric.
What does that even mean?
You know, everything I have to say to you is in the documents. So if you haven't read them yet, then I suggest you go and do that.
well, I suggest.
What?
Eric, can you come help me? I cut my hand.
Yeah. I'm on my way. She used to beg me to stay. Kelly, what game are you playing?
Eric, I won't beg you to stay anymore. After tomorrow, we're done for good.
Hi, Mrs. Brown. I'm Lena, your successor. Oh, please call me Kelly. Let me show you around. This is where everyone works pretty much, so if you ever need to find anyone, they will be here.
Here's the office.
Wow, it's gorgeous.
Finally got to see boss's girlfriend. She's gorgeous.
She is not only a wealthy heiress, but also a rising coding star.
Yes.
Hi. Thank you.
And Kelly, apart from David, no one else can know you're my wife. Do you understand?
Yeah. Okay, got it. 7 years of secret marriage. I played both wife and secretary for you. But now, you have no problem showing Bella off at work.
Let's go to my office real quick.
Okay. David? Could you ask Kelly to make some coffee and bring it in?
But the boss usually doesn't allow Kelly in his office.
Eric requested it.
Eric, consider this the last time I'll ever make coffee for you. Let's go. So, this is the coffee station. It's a little old school, but I can teach you how to do it. All right? Just pour the water in, and then you can put the grinds on in and... To perfect the drink you love, I ignored the pain of my coffee allergy. I was such a fool.
Kelly?
Yeah, sorry.
Coffee's ready.
Oh, great, I'll take it. Thank you.
Who gave you permission to come in?
Kelly. I know you're upset that I joined the company, but stirring up drama like this is just a bad look for you.
You're straddling my husband, and I'm the one stirring up drama?
You want me to stir up drama? Fine.
Kelly, why would you hit me? I was just trying to explain myself.
Kelly, have you lost your mind?
You okay?
No, my face hurts.
Apologize.
I didn't hit her.
Damn it, I said apologize!
You know, before I would have been jealous, but now I don't even give a shit if you two have slept together.
Unbelievable. After all these years, I thought you would have changed, but no, You're still using the same dirty tricks, honey.
Fine. See, that was me hitting her. Even if your heart were made of ice, it should have melted in the 7 years that we've been together. But it turns out, you just have no heart at all.
Get out. Get out before you are fired.
It's too late for that. Because I quit. From this moment on, we will never see each other again.
Eric, I'm sorry. This is all a misunderstanding. I should just go and apologize to
No
her.
need, honey. No need. She's just trying to get my attention. She'll be back.
I accept your job offer.
I'll get you.
What's that sound? Eric, look.
Benjamin, what is he doing here?
From the darkest depths to the tallest flame, I was born to rise, and nothing's gonna get in my way.
You're nothing but a housewife. Get out before you are fired.
Watch me